guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I am here today to share with you my Ipsy BoxyCharm box. BoxyCharm is now owned by Ipsy. So anyway, this is a box that comes every month. You can skip or pause your subscription, or you can skip a month if you want to. It comes every month and you get 5 full-size products. 2 of them, you don't have a choice. They just send them to you. They're supposed to base things on the quiz, the beauty quiz that you fill out. I've not really had great luck with that part. And then with the other 3, they let you choose. They'll give you, like for category 1, they'll give you an assortment of like 6 things and you get to choose one. And then you get category 2 and you get to choose another one from several options. So you get 3 that you choose yourself and 2 of them that you're gonna get whether you want them or not. All right, so what I've been doing in these videos these last few months, I started getting BoxyCharm again in December. What I've been doing is I will show you guys what I got in the box, and then the following month I review those items and then I open my next box. However, it's going to be a little different today. I am going to review what I did last month, but this is going to be my last box. I just have had too many things that they've sent me that have not been wonderful. And the other thing, you know, things that just twice, like 2 boxes in a row where they sent me something that was so off from what I indicated on my beauty quiz. And then there also have been some things that I've liked and I've looked them up thinking, because stuff goes, you know, gets discontinued. And so if you like something a lot, you need to run out and like grab a couple of them because they'll likely get discontinued at some point. And I looked up some things that were going to be included in my box and they're already discontinued. And so it makes me wonder if they are just like getting the discontinued items from a company, like, oh, we're not going to carry this anymore, so yeah, we'll give you everything we have left, that kind of thing. And the whole reason I decided to do the BoxyCharm box is not so that I could just try something, you know, full-size product, and then when it's done say, woohoo, that was fun, and throw it away. But really to find something that I could continue using, to find my new favorites. And so if they're not continued anymore, then I'm not, you know, it's defeating the purpose. So all that to say, I'm not going to be getting any more after this one. So let me start though by talking about the products that I got in my last box. So the first one was one that I told you in that video that I was pretty nervous about, the Mystic Romance eyeshadow palette. It was a good size palette, it had a really nice mirror in it, but it was so dark. The colors were so dark and so bright. And I watched a couple videos of some girls actually using them and putting them on, and they were looks I would never, ever put on this 60-year-old face. So yeah, no way. So I gave them to my neighbor's daughter. I gave that palette to my neighbor's daughter because yeah, it was a really, I think it would have been a really nice palette to have if they hadn't been such dark, you know, like reds and, you know, bright, these just bright and dark colors that are, yeah, that I'm not gonna wear. So maybe at Halloween or something, but not every day. Okay, and then the other one that I got was a recovery treatment oil is what they called it. And I was thinking, recovery treatment oil, like what the heck is this? It actually is for wrinkles. It's an oil and you just kind of, you know, dab it onto places where, you know, where your skin is dry and where you need a little bit of help. And it's been nice. I haven't gotten it really worked into my routine. I'm keeping it though. I just have to kind of start to remember to use it. So anyway, so that one was, you know, that one was a decent one, and but not really one I was terribly excited about. And then the 3 that I chose, one of them was just a cleanser. I'm always looking for a cleanser that is not super drying. And I don't want a cleanser that makes my skin squeaky clean. I want it to clean it. I want it to take off all my makeup, but I want it to leave some moisture. And so I was happy with that one. My next one was a cream blush. And this one, the color is so pretty. It's super light, so I have to be really, I have to put quite a lot on and then not really rub it in because it will disappear. So I just kind of have to tap it on. Really liked it. That's the one where I went to the website and the company doesn't even make it anymore. So once I will use this, I absolutely will use it. But once it's gone, there's no way for me to ever get it again. And then the third thing that I had picked out was a brow pencil in blonde. And unfortunately, it's a little too blonde. I'll probably save it and maybe use it, you know, use a darker one for most areas and maybe for patchy areas, kind of fill in. But it was, I mean, it's a nice pencil. It just was a little lighter. And then the last thing was the eyeshadow that I ordered on my own. It was super discounted price, and it was an eyeshadow that had these neutral, really nice neutral tones. Some of them were matte, some were a little bit shimmery, and I have loved that palette. It's really nice. Okay, so now we're on to the March box, and as usual, they include a little insert that has a QR code. You can go over to their website and get more information about the products. And so let's get into what these are. I'm trying to remember which ones I didn't have the choice of and which ones I picked. Okay, so first up, let's take a look at the two products that I did not get to choose myself that they picked for me. So this one is by Yensa. It is a Super Serum Silk Concealer. Super Serum Silk Concealer. And so this one, okay, so this one I was super happy with. It has a really nice light shade, looks like it's gonna match my skin tone really well. And I like the idea that it's sort of like a, well, it says silk, so I hope that means that it kind of blends really smoothly. This one, even though they chose it for me, I was excited about what it was because it's intriguing to me. Okay, another product I got, and I'm super excited about this because it's by Earth Harbor, and I love Earth Harbor. This is called Luna Rain Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. So yeah, all of Earth Harbor's products are so nice, and I have, oh, it's kind of milky. I was thinking that was just the container. Well, I think I don't know. I was thinking that they just put it in a white bottle, but it might be because it is very milky liquid. So I've tried some other things. I've tried a brightening serum from Earth Harbor and a moisturizing oil and a face oil and a chest and neck serum or kind of a cream. I love their products. And so, yeah, to have this to put on at night will be, I got is called Dew of the Gods. Dew of the Gods, Amalfi Gold, Olive and Argan Oil, Heaven Grade Hair Serum. So this one, you know, it's this little container and it comes with a dropper that you can switch out the cap for. And let's see what the instructions say for this one. Amalfi Gold is an ultra-light, heaven-grade hair serum formulated with the highest quality olive and argan oil to provide your hair with a natural shine, deep texture, and protection from chemical heat and the summer sun. Okay, so I've really been paying attention lately a lot to heat protectants, you know, like not overdoing it with heat on my hair. And so I'm glad to hear that it's got a heat protectant in it. So I am super excited about this. I'm a little nervous because now that I live in Florida, I'm really cautious about how much stuff I put on my hair because I used to be able to go a couple of days without washing my hair. And in here, it's like I have to be so careful with what I put on my thinner, fine hair, because it can weigh it down too much. But to have shiny hair, to have something that's a heat protectant, I'm excited to try this. Then we have, let's see, this one. I have several things for lips this time. This is TYS Beauty, and this is Shea Butter Lip Gloss. To keep pulling my glasses off so we don't get glare on here. But I already have some lipstick on, but let's just see how it feels. Oh, it smells really pretty. It smells like cupcakes or something. Well, I can tell you that it feels really good. Some lip glosses, as I'm sure you've experienced, are kind of sticky and thick. And this one is not. Yeah, smells really good. It's making me hungry. It'll be interesting to see how it looks when I'm not putting it over the top of something. So anyway, and the last thing that I have to share with you is another lip product. This one is by Aceology, and it's Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask. And so, just as it says, I'll be putting on my Earth Harbor Night Serum, and then I'll be putting on this at night. So listen, I'll tell you what, since I am going to be, or I've canceled my subscription, I'm going to come back and share with you after I've tried these 5 things, and I'll share with you what I thought of them, so you could get an actual review of these, because I got a few nice products for face, hair, and 3 of them for lips, and I'm excited about all of these, so I would love to share with you how they go. So I will come back in a few weeks when I've had a chance to try them all and let you guys know how they were. So anyway, thanks you guys for watching, and I hope I will see you again on Busy Being Jen. Take care, you guys. Bye.